Hello everyone, welcome to my new course, the complete course Artificial Intelligence from Scratch. I am Sopan and I'm really happy to teach you. I have a more than 7 years experience in artificial intelligence field and I want to share my experience with you. In this course, I want to teach you essential concepts of artificial intelligence. At the end of this course, you will learn how to forecast Google stock price, how to classify handwritten digits, and how to make best advertising campaign using regression analysis, and much more examples and practical programs using Python. This course is divided into 4 major parts. In part 1, we discuss about neural networks, and in part 2, we want to learn how to use classification methods in practical examples. In part 3, we learn how to use regression analysis, and finally in part 4, we learn how to optimize function using optimization methods like genetic algorithm and PSO. Anyone who wants to learn artificial intelligence can enroll in this course and enjoy it. Any data analyzer, computer engineering students, and artificial intelligence developer are welcome to this course. Finally, I like to ask you to enroll in this course because the future belongs to artificial intelligence. Also consider that you have a 30 days money back guarantee. So enroll and start your journey. I will see you in the other side.